Hold on to your seats, Samsung fans. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to bring jaw-dropping changes, design tweaks that might just make it the king of 2025. Let's dive into the exciting details. Samsung is turning up the heat in the smartphone world, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is proof. With leaks and renders flooding the internet, we now have insider details about its bold new design, straight from none other than Ice Universe. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about power, it's about presence. While Samsung hasn't revealed official visuals yet, Ice Universe hints that the design will be absolutely breathtaking. The phone is also set to crush rivals like a Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max, especially with its insanely slim bezels. Imagine a display that looks almost borderless with perfectly symmetrical bezels seamlessly blending into the middle frame. It's not just a phone, it's a work of art. Ice also said in the start of this tweet, "I saw some S25 Ultra renderings which are very beautiful, but I'm sorry I can't post them. Colors that will steal the show. The S25 Ultra isn't holding back when it comes to style. Here's a sneak peek at the color combos. Blue, a stunning light blue back with a sleek silver frame that has a hint of blue. Black, bold black paired with a classy silver frame. White, clean white on the back highlighted by a light silver frame. Gray, sophisticated gray with subtle gold tones completed by a matching frame. And let's not forget the official names, they scream premium. Think titanium blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, and titanium gray. Samsung might also drop a few colors as online exclusives, so fans will need to act fast to grab their favorites. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's shaping up to be a statement piece. With bold aesthetics, cutting-edge design, and colors that redefine elegance, Samsung is ready to raise the bar yet again. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could destroy the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but only if Samsung does these 5 things. Let's talk about where Samsung can hit Apple hard and claim the smartphone crown. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to be a serious contender in the premium flagship space, but let's face it, beating Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just about specs, it's about strategy. While the iPhone sales are off the charts, Samsung can still make the better phone if they get a few things right. So here are 5 crucial moves Samsung must make to take down Apple's giant. 1. Bring back the 10x zoom. Remember the 10x optical zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra? That was Samsung flexing hard, leaving iPhone users drooling. But for some reason, Samsung downgraded to 5x zoom on the S24 Ultra, matching Apple. Why play nice? If Samsung brings back the 10x zoom on the S25 Ultra, it would give Samsung an undeniable edge. Leaks, though, suggest Samsung might stick to 5x again. Samsung, don't miss this chance, bring back the beast. 2. Upgrade the ultra-wide camera. Ultra-wide shots are where creativity shines, but here's the problem. Samsung's 12MP ultra-wide feels dated compared to Apple's shiny 48-megapixel sensor. Good news? Leaks hint that Samsung is working on a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for the S25 Ultra. It's time for Samsung to deliver and prove that Android can dominate every lens. 3. Boost the battery life. Let's be real, battery life can make or break a phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already packs great stamina, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max goes toe-to-toe with it despite having a smaller battery. Here's what Samsung needs to do: squeeze out more efficiency with a new Snapdragon or Exynos chip. A bigger 5,000 mAh battery is fine, but Samsung needs to outlast Apple. Give us that all-day power user win. 4. Lower the price, or at least don't raise it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra hit wallets hard, starting at $1,299, which is more expensive than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look, we know the S25 Ultra will never be cheap, but if Samsung matches or undercuts Apple's price, it could turn heads. Unfortunately, rumors suggest prices may climb even higher. Samsung, if you're listening, a small price cut could win big fans. 5. Polish One UI. No more clutter. One of Apple's secret weapons is iOS, clean, smooth, and just works. Meanwhile, Samsung's One UI sometimes feels, well, messy. If Samsung wants to win, One UI 7 needs to feel faster, cleaner, and smarter. Give us a software experience that feels as premium as the hardware. So there you have it, 5 ways the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could wipe the floor with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what do you think Samsung needs to do to take the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest on these tech battles. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera. 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra-wide 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto. 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, Dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. Colors. Titanium lovers rejoice. Choose from titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Mark your calendars. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, setting the stage for the next generation of innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 RAM configurations and 3 storage options. In the US, the starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant, with the 1 TB model going up to $1,659. Are you ready to experience Samsung's next leap in smartphone technology?